coolest thing about maybe moving down here is that there's this really big stream slash creek slash river slash other thing down here.
I didn't mean to roll up on you.
No, you're good, man.
I didn't want
yeah,
to
man. No.
No, I want to know who's in my backyard. That's cool. That's all. Cool. So, didn't mean to freak you out or nothing like that, but you walk in Delmas' backyard, even the guy next door, I didn't even know him.
Yeah. Here's where we went down. I was down in the creek that you just saw, taking pictures, little time lapses here and there, and the way the property line ends at the house that I'm living at, it's like patio here, property line this way. Completely ridiculous. I was down in the creek, a guy walks up, and I'm like, okay, cool. This neighbor, I've met this guy before, he probably remembers me. No, completely wrong. This guy pulls up on me with an AR-15. If you don't know what an AR-15 is, here's one. So I'm freaking out, thinking I'm gonna get shot. Just completely freaking out. I'm like, hey man, I'll come out the creek, no big deal. He's like, well, you know it's my property, right? I'm like, yes, I understand it's your property. We went over this. He's like, you think this is a joke? And at that moment, he had his gun like on his side and switched arms, and my heart just completely dropped. But then everything turned out to be okay. He just told me that they shoot their little target down there, and he didn't want one of us to be down there and end up shooting us, which is still a little ridiculous, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not dead, didn't get shot. One of the main reasons I wanted to come to Roanoke, I don't know about Cheyenne, there's this cupcake place that sells these milkshakes. They're called Freak Shakes, and they have cupcakes infused in them with a cupcake as a straw. So we're going to try it out.
I wonder what these stars are for.
I don't know. They're families. Maybe they're like families that like donated or something. I don't know. They look cool.
Where's that?
Right here maybe?
Look. It says we passed it.
Did we pass it? Dude, why should not even be at this address anymore?
I know.
Or it's that little creepy door.
Okay, so it says we just passed it.
Okay, so apparently that cupcake place has moved. They used to be right there, but they're not anymore. So now we have to drive another 9 minutes or walk 53 minutes.
What's happening?
Going there. Going there. Okay, so now we found the cupcake place. This is it. This is all we've wanted. The cupcakes. The cupcakes. These cupcakes.
Where's from here to go? Here.
For here.
I see. Oh, milkshakes.
Yeah, we have to play this pinball machine. Look at that. There's like a gorilla up here. I wonder how old this thing is. Look, you might be able to win something out of this thing. Like that fish. OMG. Look at these milkshakes.
The roasted cupcake.
That is so good. Good?
Yes.
How good? That good. You got it. Just push through it. Do it. Do it. Suck it out. Do it. How much you got? Oh, you're getting to that halfway point. You're about to get a crazy brain freeze. Ooh, I bet you that hurts, huh? You almost died.
Oh, boy.
Oh, caught your red cupcake. Okay, we're back to square one. Last stop before we pick up Nam and go home. Guardians of the Galaxy with this fool. Hey, sit on this. Oh my god, right? I'm blown away. So I walked in before the end of the 5 previews that apparently the movie has, and I saw these like 6 kids go in this bathroom. I was like, this bathroom probably has to be pretty big. Look at this thing. That's literally all it is. That's insane.
That's all I can say for sure. 'Cause everything else got screwed up and it's just a making blur. Well, I guess I do things different, but I guess I can't complain.
So we were driving down this super old back road. Wanted to stop and take a picture of this cool looking house thing. We went down this road for like 20 minutes and no cars, and I get out to try and take a picture of this house and a car passes. What are the odds, right? Alright, anyway, I'm taking a picture of this house.